Get in the frame, y'all. What is up, YouTube family, up top family? How are we doing? How are we doing? So today, let's start from the beginning. I've been missing for a minute. And it's all because of this new job that I started. I've been working these overnights, long hours and shit like that. But we back, baby. We about to do something different to the car. This has been a long waiting, I guess I could say. Long waiting, I don't know. We got, hold on. Wor.X.Fab, right? I want everybody to know who to come to.
Hey yo, that was crazy.
Hey yo, that was crazy.
When it pause, damn. Who to forward to when it's time to get their shit welded or any fabrication.
Say that.
There's a couple things that's wrong with the car that I want to change, and it's all starting off with the differential. The differential is a JHM LSD, and it's really made for an all-wheel drive car. It's not made for a rear-wheel drive car that, you know, the ratio, where the ratio is, what do you call it? Like, what's a good ratio? 1-to-1 maybe? Like a ratio where you could just spin it any which way, any direction, whenever you give the car, you know, you point the car in the right direction. So we're gonna weld this to Diff. And also, yo bro, I got the guy from, the guy from Poland, he just shipped off the kit for me for the big brake kit. So I'm gonna be running the 18Zs all around and a T5 Volkswagen utility truck caliper, and I'm gonna run the hydro to that. It's about to be sick. I'm about to make this a full drift car. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it's a little loud in here, but I did already open up the Diff and clean it out. I will show you a video on how to open it. I didn't get it on camera because I was just trying to focus up on how to open it and clean it out so I could bring it to my welder.
Yo, Wor.X.Fab, man.
You already know the vibes. E36 Sonsa right here, Wor.X.Fab, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's the brand right there. This is where I bring all my shit to get welded to. This is where I bring all my shit to get welded, because it's always cool. He always gives us it don't matter if it's me or one of my friends, whoever I bring here, he always gives us like a little tips on how to weld shit and stuff like that. And that's what we need, bro. We don't want those guys that's stingy with the information, you know? So I appreciate you, and let's get this shit started.
Right now what I'm doing is I'm rotating it just to get it at a point where the gears are facing me and it'll be easier for me to work with. So I kind of want it facing 90 degrees up, and what I'm gonna do from that point is I'm gonna cut a piece of plate right here, some of this plate. I'm gonna cut a piece of this plate, clean it up, clean up all the mill scale, make it easier to weld and cleaner. I want it to fit directly in between all of the gears inside of here. A lot of times when people weld their diffs, they don't do that step, and the initial welds that the guy will do, or female, if it's a female welder, initial welds that they put right here will end up cracking and just getting thrown away. At least with a piece of plate, it'll have something to be strong behind it and prevent movement.
Just with the four corners or TIG welded.
On the top side.
TIG welded, right? It's TIG?
TIG welded, yeah.
TIG welded. Look what happens, yo.
Both of these.
The axle shafts.
Both spin at the same time.
Same time, same weight.
There's no more movement, left and right movement, or left and right movement. They're both welded together.
It's locked, baby. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, y'all. Y'all just gotta keep on watching, tune into these videos, like, comment, and subscribe, because the Audi content, the B7 content is gonna go crazy, y'all. You control the ampage by pressing, by how hard you press that pedal right there?
Yes, sir.
Damn, I didn't know that. The more you know.
Yeah, you just, so right now at this moment, I have the ability to go to 205 amps.
If you wanted to.
Yeah, if I wanted to. But on the machine, you can see live time how much amperage is being used while I'm welding.
The next day.
All right, y'all, so I took a drive out to New Row to go pick up an A7 II camera from my boy, Yuri. Say what up to the vlog, bro.
Hello.
Hello.
No, I'm tired, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Yuri's tired.
It's finals week. You know?
Finals week, and we're just gonna like fucking, yeah, we're just gonna pick up the camera right now. We're gonna go back to Queens. We're gonna go pick up the differential. The differential is all locked and loaded and welded and is ready to go into the vehicle. I can't wait. And yeah, so I'm walking back down to my car right now. Yuri, yo, you looking real swaggy right now. Like,
Nah, chill. This is like, bro, I've been living at school, bro. So,
you said living at school? Yo, let me see the feets, bro.
Oh, some clouds, socks, camo pants.
Oh, nah, you're crazy.
Some designer shirt, I don't know what the fuck it is.
Sunday, yo, vintage though. I like that.
Nah, it is actually vintage. That's the funny part.
Yeah, bro. Trust me, I know how you. I know your style. I know your style. Shout out Masika. I don't give a fuck. It's a fucking vlog. I want them to see the bridge, see where we come from.
Just if your face small like a great wall, so me puppet could be see small, no make the aim fall.
Yo, bro.
It's my name call.
Record what I told you to record. City, nigga.
Yo, shut the fuck up in my video, nigga.
The camera, bro. Got me multitasking, got me recording and driving. Like, how am I supposed to do that? Drive with my fucking
It's
leg?
not time for you to fucking record.
Shut up,
nigga.
nigga.
You don't record everything, nigga.
Yes, you do. Keep the cameras rolling, though.
Not with this big ass camera. You do that
Yes,
with
the
a GoPro,
fuck you
nigga.
do. Alright, so get the GoPro. If you had the GoPro, then
You not understanding
get
that,
the
bro.
GoPro, bro.
You get the GoPro. You're the fucking cameraman, nigga.
Get the GoPro. It takes a team, nigga.
No, it doesn't, nigga.
And you still putting your bullshit ass phone in front of my camera, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm leaving you home next time. Do that. So right now we're here at the welder, E36 Sonsa, and we're about to go pick up the differential. It's all locked and loaded and welded, so can't wait. My guy. Yeah, this is looking good, y'all. Diff is locked and secured. And you said the top piece doesn't have to, yo guys, I broke something. And luckily, I don't need to get it welded back.
Yeah, because I checked it, it's on the outside rim.
That's good. And that shit would have saved me, that shit saved me some money too, y'all.
Yeah, so what you broke,
Yeah.
right over here.
That goes inside of the axle shaft.
Yeah, so there's no seal right here, right? Yeah, so right here is just a lip, just
There's an extra, like, you know, security, but
it's
it's,
just a lip that they have there.
gotcha.
This is the seal.
Copy. All right, so quick question. When it's time to put everything back together, do I have to grease up anything in here, or the fluid would just catch that when it's time to like press these axles back in?
Putting some grease wouldn't hurt. So I'm saying whatever diff lube, you
Yeah.
put it right here.
7590.
Yeah, so put it right there. And,
me what you're doing. Show me what you did right here real quick before I go.
All right, so well, this is a normal E36 24 valve pan, but when people swap the motor from an E36 or 528 E39, they have to find an E34 oil pan where the sump is in the front. What I did was I cut it down about 1.5 inches, and I made my own tank, so this way it will clear the subframe. So this is it.
That's fire.
Right here, that little notch clears the power steering banjo bolt, and I'm about to put a drain on it, a -10 AN drain on it.
So that way he'll drain out the oil quicker.
Well, it's gonna be, it's just because I didn't feel like using the OEM drain, so we're gonna use a female -10 AN weld-on fitting with a -10 block off, and this will be how he will drain his oil from now on.
Currently getting washed. It needed it. Like I said, they do such a good job. Like for the price, it's not a bad job at all. They do their thing for real. They gonna get up all the nicks and cracks. Watch. Little green machine. Yo guys, so look at this $20 beanie that comes with a LED light with 3 different settings, right? And it's Bluetooth. It's Bluetooth with a built-in microphone, wireless headset, and it's washable. Hands-free calling is not crazy though, but like this is why you gotta love Mr. Handwash. It's like the little things that count, you know? Shout out to them. Oh shit, should I buy it? Drop it down in the comments if you think I should buy this. Maybe we can test it out like while I'm working on the car or some shit. Yeah. Alright y'all, she's looking better already. Not even gonna lie. Look at the Tesla. I think this is almost the same color my brother got. Not this color though. I think this is a little darker. But yeah, looking way better. Shout out Mr. Handwash. Time is currently 3 o'clock. I have not been to sleep since yesterday. I worked the overnight, and I'm here. We at Motor Works. We just got the car on the jack, on the lift. Sorry, it's been a long day, and we're gonna get ready with getting this differential out. We're gonna take off the hangers off the exhaust hangers. What are those 3?
So you're not gonna come to the Beamer like?
One day, when I'm ready to finance a car. Or,
Bro, I don't even want to get back into the
oh, you see? It's either that or buy a salvage title car and then fucking send it every single where I go. I swear to God, I'll be drifting that shit.
Yeah, nah, salvage. I ain't gonna quit doing this whole thing. I think my next car is gonna be a salvage title car.
Like no payments. It's gonna look just like everybody else. Nobody gonna know it's gonna be. It's a rebuild title.
You can still sell it for a price.
And then you go get something else.
Just so I can see the discount well at Amazon.
Yeah, so right now we loosening the.
I need to go to the place. I can't drive the car.
Right now we loosening the little heat shield for the differential. Noel is lowering the exhaust to get to the drive shaft bolts, which, if I'm not mistaken, there's 6s, but I need some life. I need some life in the shop.
Wait on.
You mic'd up, bro.
Why is it out?
How's your day going?
You know it's out?
What you mean it's out?
It broke.
What? What broke?
The pinion. This is out.
The first time I worked on it, I woke up, I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I thought I did some shrugs the day before. I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't go to the gym.
So deep.
Bro, working on the floor, that shit is no joke, bro. Shit takes a toll on your body.
You gotta be built for this, man. You gotta be built for this. It's peaceful. Working on the floor.
Working on the floor is not peaceful. You're just trying to be humble right now. That's where you came from, yo. This one time, this nigga did my clutch on this car, the Stealth Benz Stage 2 Plus, on the floor, bro. He had that shit on truck jack stands. That's before it was lowered yet, so I guess it was somewhat easier, but still, the process is crazy. All right, man, where I going with this differential? While I was leaking fluid.
I think this is broken. It's not even tightened. It's not tight.
So the nut itself was not tight at all.
Yeah.
So I was fucking up the spines and the actual diff. That's like what was making the noise.
It ain't back out that much.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't torque anything. Bushing inserts, just stiffen up the differential. Right inside of the subframe, right? Yeah. And then this black thing, like that. And then this goes in just like that. Differential that was up in the car already came out within like 20 minutes, maybe less than that, I'm not too sure.
Whatever.
Ding. Wait, what's that, y'all? I think we just got a notification. Oh shit, I just got the confirmation. It's lit. Up top B7 always has something to slick up his sleeve, and I can't wait for y'all to see. Stay tuned for the next video to find out what it is. It goes over it though. Right now we're currently tightening the side mount for the differential. Differential is up and in. About to connect the axle shafts. Then after that we're gonna connect the heat shields for the axle shafts. Well, yeah, I said up top B7 family. So like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know when up top B7 drops another video. And this week I test drove the Audi. Everything's all good, no leaks, no nothing. So this weekend we're gonna send it. We're gonna do first gear, second gear, left, right, maybe even a 360. Who knows? But yo, stay tuned for next week's video. That package, it delivered. And guess what? If you could comment and let me know what you think is in the package, then I don't know, I'll send you a free shirt. You know the vibes. Up top B7. Hey, I test drove the car, made sure it was no leaks. That means I got it with me today. I'm here at work currently. And look at her, she looking clean over there. You know the vibes. Up top B7. We out! Shout out UNRULYTOYZ, Black Billy Motorsports, and Jade the First Rear out in Florida. Big up yourself. Peace.